fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann, and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be closing out the last paycheck in July and going over the first paycheck in August. If you are interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So guys, before I get started, I received some happy mail and I took it out of the envelope because I don't want to show her address or my address. But this is from I Am Cassie J's Budget and Blogs, and she sent this packet to me. Thank you so much, Cassie. I'm going to put her information in the description box below. Please go and check out her channel. She is so sweet. I love her vlogs as well as her budgeting channel. So let's see what she sent us. And let me see if I can lighten this up a little bit. That's a little bit better. So again, thank you, Cassie. And she sent this card that says, I love your channel. Wanted to send love your way. I Am Cassie J Budget and Vlog is her YouTube channel. And SNC Budget Creation is her Etsy. Let's see what we have. And this is so cute. This says, I own myself. That is adorable. I love the girl that she used. We have a $60 challenge. This is Coffee and Puppies, and it's $60. So you put $3 a day in. Then we have a $20 challenge, which is Coffees and Puppies, and you put $1 in a day, or you put $1 in for each challenge. And this is really cute. This is a $114 challenge. And then the last one is a $92 challenge. I love the girls that she used on this. And the color is so pretty. So thank you, Cassie. I really, really appreciate it. Guys, go check her out. You will love her channel. And if you have not subscribed to her, please subscribe to her. I will leave all of her information in the description below. So let's get started with this budget and see how we did. And guys, you are not going to believe what else is going on with our air conditioning. But I will discuss that in my cash stuffing video. In our budget from July the 26th through August the 8th, in our expense category, we budgeted $960 for a mortgage, $160 for Chase, $120.69 for our homeowner's warranty, $115.52 for our life insurance, $12.99 for Camera Pro, $12 for Google LLC, and $12 for our Kindle Unlimited. That came up to a total of $1,393.20. In our actual category, we paid $960 on our mortgage, $160 on Chase, $120.99 on our homeowner's warranty, which was a difference of 30 cents, $115.52 on our life insurance, $12.99 on Canva Pro, $14.40 on Google LLC. It went up by $2.40.